Next stop of open house is Via Brin number 69. Via Brin is in an old part of Naples East. And this whole place used to be an industrial area. So the building you can see on my right used to be a factory, a steelworks factory. It's now been reconverted. Pillars have been added because they added another level to the whole building. Here we have a clinic, then we have a household shop, and then we have a place called Eccellenze Campane that sells the best food products of region Campania. This part has been turned into university residences for students. After early industrialization in the 1800s and early 1900s, the whole area kind of fell back. It became one of the neglected areas of Naples city. So at night there was lots and lots of prostitution around here and also crime. So that the idea of the architectural projects here was to bring a change to the whole area. And in former years it was impossible to imagine students living out here. It would have been terrible, it would have been a bad experience for them. All this has changed. The area is slowly moving towards a better direction, a better lifestyle, and so as a whole it is a successful project. The top part of these buildings is glass on this side, so it's looking on to the city center, whereas the other side finishes in a wall. Here we have the other side of the building, so you can see from here that it used to be a factory. This is the typical factory as we would have imagined it in the 70s or in the 80s. On the other side you can see how the buildings surrounding the place are much older and in a worse state. And at the same time you can see the pictures that have been drawn on the walls of the parking lot that recall the function of the top floor, offices. So we have scissors, clips and the like. Something unexpected, especially at this second level of a structure, is all this water. Very, very welcome, very peaceful and serene. They also have some trees that are trying to light up the gloomy atmosphere, and they're trying their best to grow, but not too successfully. You got to consider that most of the buildings around here were like the one we are facing now, so this is a gigantic improvement. This is the inside where all the offices are, so you can see that the skeleton of the original factory has actually been kept with all the iron supports shown. They're trying to say that the trees are enough to cleanse the air, but I don't think so. This is the engineering firm that did the reconstruction of the whole building, and these are some other projects they did throughout the city of Naples. So on the right hand side there is a spiral that is just outside the Mostra d'Oltremare. This is the end of our visit, so I'd like to say goodbye from Naples East, from Open House, from Sean and my YouTube channel, and from the god of India, Ganesh. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.